Banana tickets and bad juice. Banana tickets and bad juice. Yo, mommy, I go downtown.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Right now, when you don't see how the vlog start, basically with a throwback video. So this is kind of a throwback vlog. You know what I mean? Just a good old memory lane in a while, and I find a couple vlog where you know they're on YouTube no more. So it's impossible for you to see them vlog there, but me have them. So I just go put them together and share some memories with them, some fun times. Feel like the newcomers them, when I go see so far where I come from and a long time where I did this, you know what I mean? So this is just a trip down memory road. So just watch it and enjoy. Right about now, this is the exclusive. Assalamu alaikum.
So I come in peace. Hey yo, Pete.
Guys, how are you?
Let's keep it pulling me. When me tell you say we have links a yard, we have links a yard. Watch out.
Yo, watch out.
We get a bag of tigers.
Watch out.
Bag of bag juice. Chubby. Don't forget. We have banana chips them there too. St. Mary.
Our next bag of tigers.
St. Mary.
Show them everything. Yeah.
And one more thing there. See everything there. Don't mind the clothes. We forgot to clean up. And not forget, we have rum cream too. You see it?
Rock here. Abula.
Only real Jamaican them know understand this.
Strawberry milk.
You see, but them broke up still. Now watch your face.
Banana chips. Banana chips.
Juice, drinks and juice.
Banana tickets and bad juice. Banana tickets and bad juice. Yo, mommy, I go downtown. I'm bad juice. $10.
So we are going video now.
US? Yeah, they have. You know, for
we are going video now.
Ticket included.
You see, me have a Jordan him too, you know. Now watch your face. You see it.
Assalamu alaikum.
You know, killer what this up.
Oh, go on. See that?
Famous this up. Nice this up.
Alright.
You see it. So. Hey ma.
Mark ears you know.
Skin dry like.
Circle back.
So we there with the talk them you see. Killer walk.
See that?
Nice. And we are go back at the crib, go eat some
Sunday,
food.
It's like 4:30, I haven't eaten no Sunday.
Shut up man.
Alright. This is me about for sure though. Oh God. This is the first time, cause what if people know say me allergic to shrimp? What if people see this already? What if people don't see it? The first time me actually find out say me allergic to shrimp was City Island, me, Natalie, Mel, TRABASS, Yushan, all we got City Island, and me end up consume shrimp and it messed me up. So this is the vlog to that.
Do it for the vlog. So right now I'm sipping my cup. Natalie right there. Famous right there. Yushan right there. Right now we do it here. I get some gas. And we are drink, you see it? We are gonna do up.
We are gonna do a crab shop.
Yeah.
I am? We are gonna I am.
Yeah, and then we don't know where we are going. But we are going to enjoy ourselves. We have the whole team out here. Nice and Pink couldn't make it because Nice they are school. In board.
And Pink
they are our giga player right now. Yeah. So we are just half of the team right now. I go. Hope to see some people where hope to meet up with some people. So yeah. And the scene, stay tuned. I do it for the vlog. So right now we now but I got crab show Jack. What's his name? Joe Crab Shack. What? Right now we're not about to go there, so we got City Island. Madam Ashar! Who follow me on Instagram? Is he change your plans? Man stepping on shit.
The wait was like an hour and 45 minutes. We couldn't
I'm on now wait so long. So right now we are go. We dumb hungry.
Very hungry.
Dumb hungry and tipsy.
This nigga drunk.
Me not drunk, me
yes,
tipsy.
He is.
Me nice.
Hey, what's the right about now with our City Island seafood city and we're there and we're gonna eat some seafood.
Follow you back. We're not following you. Talking about.
Follow you back, man. I mean this? Oh yeah, famous this.
Natalie that.
You don't know, say Natalie.
I mail that. I talk to assassin.
They mad.
Money, oh yeah,
no,
money.
City Island, where the
Are you Sean? Madova. No, Sean in name.
Madova Sean.
So we just there at Chile. Do it for the vlog, you know already know. Famous, they look like one pop-off girl now, I swear. Don't you know? Don't you know, dog? Make them see your face, my youth. Make them see your face, so dog. You want some better? You want some better, Jill? Make them see your face, so my youth. Where you going? Can't do over there, so. Let me see if you do it free vlog. What's that? Oh my god, my nigga. Let me see your face.
Show the vlog.
Greener. The dog, I don't know what Famous go eat. The man face fat up. Be a fine bum. Eh?
When I can't make a pie for me.
This nigga's dumb, yo. That's how you see the cat. I can't deal with that. The vlog. It's a shade face.
I shit. Where you bring me allergic to?
What kind of water?
Everybody's drunk. Everybody's drunk.
Me
Right?
not drunk, me sober.
And they acting crazy.
Me not drunk, me
They
sober.
acting crazy, and none of them have no sense of nothing.
Not even fries me eat again.
What? No, let me see. You got water? I have water in my bag.
Move, man, me see Famous.
Yeah.
Famous.
Yo.
Famous, you alright? So do it free vlog. So do it free vlog now. Where you fired?
Allergic reaction for the vlog.
My movie wipes now, my youth. Natalie, what you have to say about this whole situation?
I can't bother with y'all. Y'all don't know how to act.
Vlog. Then can't make a pies for me.
Can you have 2 more?
A TRABASS pies for me.
And this water, please.
Sir, look on him face. Look on him face, sir. He
No,
might
make a look at it.
he might be
See
very
what you
allergic.
want to get.
He might be
What you gonna get? Come. Come here. Benadryl should be fine.
What? No man, y'all get spotlight, dog.
Take the thing, please.
Take it some of your face now, man, you.
You think that are the crazy part when you see so far? Them actually create a song out of everything. You see how TRABASS laugh and I go and the man them actually create a song out of it. I'm gonna play it right now.
So right now we're coming at you all with a new song. It called This Nigga Got a Bum Bum Bum.
Bum, bum,
Mel,
bum.
kick it off.
Yeah.
This nigga got a bum bum bum. My nigga got a bum bum bum.
What is that?
Famous him got a bum bum bum.
What is that?
Bum 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 bum.
Face. Yo, he got a bump, bump, bump. He
Oh,
put
wait,
a
is
lump,
that?
lump, lumps. Yo, we in a back. Yo,
So sick.
we in a Cadillac. Yo,
The nigga in the dark, you cannot see him. This nigga eats some fries.
I don't know.
Then him face that. I don't know why. Cause my nigga got a bum bum bum. My nigga got a bum bum bum. FamousSosick got a bum bum bum.
Alright, when you see like how we trouble Alfred, we always say Alfred and I beat him up and pick on him. Basically back in the days that was nice. That's how we used to do nice. Cause you don't know say why for that. Don't know say nice are like the little brother but the bigger brother, you know what I mean? So we always used to pick one nice. So the same way we see we had do Alfred, why again? Bono. The same way how we treat Alfred as how we treat nice. As the little brother but the bigger brother. You understand? So this are some clips from back in the days for show you say yo nice will always be nice.
So we're there for a nice day. The whole team. It's a nice day because nice day. The weather nice and everything. But
It's a nice day, cause nice day.
Yeah.
So right now we're about to go Glen Island, do a little scene with Nice. Nice woman I go left him and he might kill himself basically.
Yes, so right about now we just reached Glen Island. We're about to go shoot a video. And Nice and TRABASS about to go war. TRABASS a run. And Nice serious say I'm gonna kill him this time. Yes, so right about now we about
Watch it.
know me how would ask?
More ear
You
Nice.
know which man oh yeah do?
More ear.
Yeah? My youth. So when Nice one do dog. I'm stretch first now. What's up?
For your food. You ugly when you wake up in the dark. Nice, go on in bed on my youth. What time? What time? What time?
4:40 something. Yeah, okay, we're fit now. Drop asleep again and see. As you can see, that's not everything I look at me at you. Ice cream, grape nut, I just have to have it.
Nice. So,
That's
nice eyes.
Man, I get sick, man, on the palm of my head.
you mess up with the end of your way, no?
Nice eyes. That's too much.
FamousSosick.
Antony TRABASS.
And
this
this
is
is
called In the Snow, Jamaican edition.
Damn idiot, them. Look at the idiot.
Now Pink. Pink is the weird one, the quiet one, the loud one, the mad one, the bipolar one. You know what I mean? With Pink, you don't know where you can't expect no with Pink. You have to just see what kind of vibes in the one for the day. You know what I mean? Pink was always the weird one out of the group. Sick up a video, yeah, if you don't believe me.
There, I know.
Moon on my own.
So you walk with black belt?
Nigga, you can't do that.
You have to run.
I can easily jump from right here.
No, you have to run.
Just if you go on the pre-read from a read.
Pink, what going?
Moon on my own. I'm telling you, Terax. I'm telling you.
So something about you? Pink.
We had out some of you.
Yeah man, more gonna enjoy the vlog so far. As me say, it's a little trip down memory lane. Me there, I watch everything and it just warm my heart to see how far we come from and the love and everything we have for everybody. You know what I mean? So this next vlog, well yeah, this next vlog when me about to add to it is kind of, you know what I mean, one of my favorite personally because it was like a fun day vlog. We all away got Archard, we link up and we just we play some basketball and we just have fun and we bring food and beer something. So this was a sick vlog. I love the vlog, guys, so we make a play it right now.
So we're here on this fun day. Famous a shout out. You see me? I say warm up before we kill TRABASS and Muscle. Them run. You see me? You got the culprit. What officer?
Just swish, swish, swish. Man, them a joke out me game, dog.
So right now we are doing it for the vlog. We just want to play basketball.
Almost win, me win.
Win
lunchtime now, you know?
We know.
Alright. Alright, son. No, we are playing. We know. The girl, them can't give you the ball, yeah? Ready? Natalie!
How was the basketball game?
We more dry.
How was the basketball game? How was the basketball
My
game?
team won.
No.
Yes,
Alright. Let me tell you what go on.
No.
Yeah, alright, look, you now see son. Come and me show you something. See son there? The son a black our who from wins. Oh. Nice. How was the basketball game organized?
The game was perfect. I had like 34 points.
lose.
MVP.
TRABASS
Kobe.
MVP.
2-4.
None of them no shoot more than 5 points. None of them together.
Me shoot more than 5. Me shoot more than 5. Right. So Alcanice, it was a good game, right?
Drop the nice start.
Alcanice. Joel, what you have to say about the game?
Well, you know, sir, it was a very good game.
Yeah. What you have to say about the game?
I'm interview going, man.
So, it was a good basketball game. Two sides were equal. We have girl on our side and we have
Them have
mostly
two girl. One real girl and nice.
The swings right now. Come here, jump. Feels, run to. Run to, pink, run to. Run to. Go. Run to. Run to. Run to. Run to.
This nigga trying to kill the baby.
Yeah, kill the baby.
So boom, alright, you don't know say this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. As me said, it was a vlog down memory lane, you know what I mean? Whole heap of people only in the scene of the vlog, but me have whole heap of other vlogs where them you know what I mean? So hopefully we can do a part 2 for this. If you don't like this, 2,000 likes. 2,000 likes and just comment. If me see be a comment on the vlog here and I get over 2,000 likes, then me I go do more of this. You know what I mean? Showing some of the old vlog them again and showing some of the people them want to miss when I ask for. Just good times, good vibes, how far where I come from. You know what I mean? So remember, if you don't like the vlog here and want a part few to this, just leave one heap of likes, 2,000 likes, and me drop it same time. Be a comments and me deal with it same time. You know what I mean? As we said, vlog down memory lane. Big up on yourself and I hope you enjoy it. Mad move. Me G's, we out.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.